'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Hey, welcome back. This is Nick from UCARS. Today we are not working on my car. We are actually working on the Volkswagen, which is outside. We are actually going to be doing some fun stuff today. We're not going to be really working in the garage because it should be fast. Well, it's fast out. So, we are actually going to be doing some prep work for this. Hello horns. And we're replacing the old ones with these, which are interesting. Which are bigger, supposed to be louder, I think. That's what I'm thinking.
It's supposed to be 118 decibels.
Oh my gosh. Alright, well, it's much louder than, it's much louder than what the stock one would be. So, yeah, we're gonna be doing that. But we're gonna be doing the prep work in here. It should be relatively fast. We got all sorts of extra tape, little burner, and a crimper, wire strippers, and all sorts of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of chill here and basically record what he's gonna be doing, which he already cut some wires there.
Just extra wires so I can lengthen the factory horn wires. I don't have red and black, but brown and green is close enough.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. We're putting them on there. That registered like barely anything on that one.
Huh?
That registered barely anything on this. And it sounds like it's only one side that's actually working, so that's why we're changing it to have both sides working with these two.
What's that?
Okay. That's why we're gonna have these two to replace those two. Because one side does not work, that side works. So I guess we're just gonna have to figure that out. And that's why he's gonna put it on the job, so we can get to the front of it. Oh, there's your horn. Are you bending it?
Yeah, the bracket was bent backwards.
Why is it bent backwards?
I have no idea.
Supposed to be pointing down?
Ish?
Ooh, crap that was in there.
Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna cut it.
You're gonna cut it?
Yeah, cut the wires.
Hang on.
This one out of the way. Where's the red one? zip tie this up in a little bit.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot louder. That's just one side. That's a lot louder than the other.
Again, I just wanted something better than
OEM was too quiet.
well that, and you know, and people almost run you off the road. You want something just a little bit louder to kind of like, hey,
Get their attention. I think that definitely gets a lot of attention. Like here, it's definitely louder.
just one. That's not the other side too.
Yeah, still got one more side to go, right?
Yep, one more to go.
Nice. You're gonna grab the little clippers.
Right there.
Oh, drops right in front of me. That works. And just remember which one's positive, which one's negative, because if not, it won't worky.
It's here. That should be fine.
All right, now we're done with it. How easy was that?
That was too easy.
After you have all the wiring and everything, yeah,
Yeah.
even better. And was it? How much was it?
$40 off Amazon.
If you want to upgrade your horns, there's a link in the description for the link for Amazon for those Hella horns. If you're interested, you saw how easy it is to wire it up. You have your own wiring kit. It's really easy. Plug and play, practically plug and play once you set up the wiring. But
Yeah.
that's gonna do for this video. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe as usual, and also make sure you guys share. There'll be more content coming for that thing back there. Yeah, that one. So
Which one?
that one.
That one.
Yeah, not that one. Not this one. That one. All right. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys later. Bye.